In this video, I'm gonna cover 5 products you need to be selling in the month of September for your Shopify dropshipping stores. As always, I specifically handpicked all these products that I found to be doing very well organically on TikTok. Now, with that being said, I'm gonna uncover the exact video I saw along with the AliExpress linked product available to be dropshipped immediately. The crazy thing is that every single one of you can sell these exact products to go viral, and who knows, maybe build out a brand using this as an entry point or platform to grow something big. But without further ado, let's hop into these products. So the first product is this beverage cooler soda jacket type of thing. And the first time I saw this, I just thought that there was so much potential with, expanding out the product line and as well just getting viral videos based off of generated content. But I want to quickly announce that if we hit 500 likes on this video, I will post this product list sheet that you all can download and use to organize the products you want to sell along with the exact product and add links from this video. So for the first product, we're going to go in and check out the exact TikTok video that I saw showcasing the product. All right, so here it is.
Jacket actually keep your drink colder? Let's find out.
So there's different product variations, different styles that you can add.
Just took them out of the fridge. 45.
Let's see if it actually works.
1 hour later, let's check the temperature. 3. Confirmed.
So the video showcases that the product does work in all the different styles of the puff jacket. So this is really great for expanding your product line along with UGC. So we can go and check out the actual TikTok account. So as you can see, they last post 15 hours ago, 1 day ago, 4 days ago. So there's a lot of potential, different variations of the product, different types of jackets. Maybe you can even expand out to pants, bigger sweaters, different types of sweaters. As you can see here, they have Christmas sweaters and lots of user generated content. Now what we can do with this product list sheet is go into their exact website. So we can copy this. Let's check out the website and how they're going about structuring this product. So this is pretty clean. What does your drink wear? So it's solving a problem. You're able to keep your drink cooler and at the same time style your drinks. Okay, let's go in and scroll down. It's a pretty nicely done website. Let's see what they are selling the product for. So they got tons of different types, different variants, each with its own product page. They're selling it for $17.95, and you can even change between fabric and rubber cases. So what we saw is that the product is $4.68. The shipping is $0. What I would personally sell this for, I think you can get away with selling this for $22.99, charging $1.99 for shipping, and that leaves us at a profit of $18.31 per unit. And on the shipping, you're gonna profit $1.99 with an overall net profit of $20.03 for this product. Now for the niche, what I would target, people that I'm trying to acquire would be like drinking companies. So I would go in and target Budweiser, Heineken. You could even go like the Full Send, Andrew Tate.
Well, what color is your brigade?
Maybe even Donald Trump route, kind of that conservative route. And people that generally watch Full Send would, I think, personally be interested in a product like this, right? Full Send just released their, Happy Days beverage drink, and it's a seltzer, right? So I think this is a great niche that you could target, and the product itself has a lot of potential for building out a legitimate brand based on the amount of UGC capability and expanding on the product line, because there's so many different types of jackets that they are showcasing on their store, and you could even do collaboration, and I would suggest selling this product. All right, so product number 2 is this watch grinder. If we look here onto the TikTok video itself, it's going to showcase the product. So as you can see, they're just putting in various things inside of this grinder, and it's grinding up the material. And obviously the direct target niche that they're trying to attract is people that, I guess, smoke, 420 audience. And so I guess on TikTok you can't really post this type of content, so that's why they're putting in different types of material. But yeah, this is a cool video. Look, how can I buy one? Can I have one? It's my bro's B-Day coming up. So this is a great product that you can gift. It's a giftable product. Also, it's just a cool party trick to have. Like if you're at a party, put the flour in there, you grind it up. Is actually solving a problem, right? A lot of people, I'm sure, don't like to have a grinder on them. This is a stylish way to do so. and a concealed way to do so. So what we can do here is check out the product unit price. It's $9.02. There's different styles. Let's look at the product list sheet right here. So it's $9.02. Shipping is 72 cents. I would personally sell this for $49.99. So I think this is a product that you don't want to sell too cheap, right? You don't want to sell it at 2 to 3 times because you still want to have a high perceived value of this product, and watches specifically have a higher perceived value. If you sell this watch for 20 bucks, people are gonna be like, oh, okay, this doesn't seem right? It's probably bad quality. So I'd sell it from $49. You can even try at $59, and the profit per unit price will be $40.97. And then for the shipping, I charge $3.99 for shipping on this one. And then the profit would be $33.27 at an overall net profit of $44.24. So this is a high profit margin product. So what we can do is look at, oh, it looks like they're not running a website anymore. When I saw it, they were running their website. I don't know why they might have taken it down, but that's no worries. And then the target niche, I would go in and try and attract people that are into watches, potentially ASMR, depending on the content that you push. 420, California, Amsterdam, that whole route is another way in which you could push content. They're posting consistent UGC content. And here it looks like the way that they are pushing their content is geared towards trends. Clearly there is a group of people that have an interest in this product, going about your marketing strategy and presenting the right offer to these people. So that's it for number 2. Let's go on to product number 3. All right, so product number 3 is this confidential stamp that erases your important information, or it draws over your important information with a stamp so people don't have access to viewing that. All right, so here is the exact TikTok I saw. Random Amazon finds that just slap.
Personal info for board checks, junk mail, online packages, and even medicine bottles.
All you got to do is overwrite this little stamp. The stamp over your confidential papers, any packages, anything that you don't want people to view. Instead of using a shredder, you can just use this little stamp. Let's look at the comments. All right, so as you can see, people are like, what is the first one called? People have an interest for this. There's tons of comments, lots of engagement. And let's look at the price itself. It's $4.07. Free shipping. It's a very light product, so the shipping isn't going to be much. There's different colors, different variations. This was just one of the variations that I found. Yeah, $4.14 is the product cost, $0 for shipping. You could charge $14.99 to $19.99 for this product and then charge $1.99 for shipping. That would leave you at per unit $15.85 profit, and then for the shipping you'd profit $1.99, and then the overall net profit will be $17.84. What we can do is look at the competitor website right here. So the website that was running it, along with the dedicated TikTok account that they had here. So this TikTok account was driving a ton of traffic for this product, driving them to this link right here where they are selling different variations of this stamp. So let's see. They got the blue unit. They're selling for $22.99, and they have a different variant option here. If we were to go in and type in a confidential stamp, you'd see different products that all serve the same function. So this exact product, just different styles, so you can choose from there. And as far as the target niche, I would go in and target gadgets, office supplies, Office Depot, different companies that tend to target people that need home goods. So from here, you could go in and build out a TikTok account that's dedicated to office supplies, and as you can see, very similar to this account. So this is the way in which I would push content. Let's see how often they're posting. 3 days ago, 4 days ago, 1 week ago. So what I would do is I would look at the video that went viral, this video right here, and make my video as similar as I can to this video and continue to post videos in this fashion, right? Fast-paced, 15 seconds, and experiment with viral types of videos, trends, going in and trying to showcase the product. But yeah, that's pretty much it for product number 3. Let's go on to number 4. All right, so product number 4 is a trench lighter, and you can actually expand upon different types of lighters within this little niche. And so the first time I saw this, I was like, wow, this thing looks pretty damn cool, and the video is even cooler. So let's check out the video.
Tell me which one you like best. 1.
Trench lighter. I'm not sure what exactly that is. I never bought a lighter, but it just looks like a cool little gadget to have. lightsaber lighter. And I know for a fact there's definitely people out there that have an interest in buying this. People that smoke, people that just like to have cool little gadgets and little fidget toys. Let's go into the comments and just see what people are saying. Flammable heavy trenches, the first one, lightsaber. So there's 4 products here actually, and I just listed one of the 4. So what you could do is just go on AliExpress and type in lightsaber lighter and build out a whole entire store based around these gadget type lighters. So the product is $19. The shipping was $0 per unit. You could even sell this for, I think, 50 plus, but I would go on the safe side, $44.99 profit, $25.61. Shipping, you could charge shipping for this product because I'd say it's a little bit on the heavier side. Go $4.99 for this. Profit would be $4.99 on the shipping, and then an overall net profit $30.06. Now what we can do is go in and check out the lighter store and see what kind of lighters that they are selling to their audience. And even from this page that they have, the brass retort lighters, look. Hey bro, tasteful lighter, free shipping order. Right here they got 1.9 million likes, 149,000 followers, consistently posting, and it all looks like it's in the same fashion. They're asking people which one do they like best. See how consistent they're posting. 1 day ago, 2 days ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago. So they're posting a lot of content, getting people to hopefully hit this link right here. Let's open it, and this is the link tree to the lighter store. They even got a WhatsApp, a Telegram, and yeah, tons of different types of lighters. This is €37.94. It's about same 1-to-1 to the dollar. Look at, they have tons of different types of lighters, giving people an option to choose between which one they would like best and to increase the average cart value per customer, right? If you only have one of these, then an average customer might only buy 1 or 2. Let's see what the product pages look like, showcasing the products. They got reviews. Clearly this is dropship. Look, they got the E***W. They imported these reviews from AliExpress. The niches that I would go about targeting if I were to run Facebook ads is lighters, tactical army, gadgets, fidgets, smoking, cigarettes, camping. You can even do doomsday prepping and hit the suggestions bar and see what other types of interest are popping up. But this product, I think, is super cool. It's got a clear set of audience, very targeted, and I highly suggest selling this product as well. So that's it for product number 4. Let's go on to the very last product number 5. All right, so the last but not least product is another product that is geared to a very targeted group of people. This one is specific to people that have a computer, that are maybe gamers, people that are interested in upgrading their desk setup. So let's look at the exact video that I saw. Very interactive video, unboxing, 3 million likes, 12K comments, 80K shares. Seems like it's an ASMR type of video. It's a really cool product. It's a very simple video just showcasing the product. You can link your music, and it's a rhythm. They call it the rhythm speakers, the rhythm LED speakers. So let's see what people are saying. The creator says bio, 3K likes on that. So they're directing people to their bio to eventually go in and purchase their product. Let's see what people are saying. Unboxing is more satisfying than the product. So sometimes when you incorporate an interesting element to your video and just get people to react to the video itself or something that you do in the video, that helps your video go viral, and more eyes on the video means more eyes on your brand to get people to eventually hit that link to get organic engagement onto your website. So let's go in and check the website that they linked. This was the website that they linked. RM, and I'm not sure what currency that is, but they're selling it on Shopify. They're probably getting some sort of commission towards here. 1.4K sold, 480 ratings, 4.9 stars. So that is where they are directing people. And here is a competitor TikTok account that I've listed for you guys, posting very similar type of content. As you can see, they noticed that that first video went viral for that reason, and they made it very similar. Super cool. I would even buy something like this, and I'm not even into the whole tech setup. Let's look at the AliExpress link right here. All right, so here's one AliExpress link. It's getting sold for $21.84. And it just depends on which listing that you choose. I guess from here they changed up the price since the last time that I linked it, which was only yesterday. So they already changed the price. I would sell this for $59.99. Remember that with a product like this, I would say you want to have a higher perceived value because you don't want to sell an electronic product for like 20 bucks, 40 bucks. It just doesn't seem like the quality is great and people will take note of that. So I would go with anything from $59 to $69. Profit per unit would be $37.83. Shipping is, they're charging $0, so that's nice. And for a product like this, I would charge anywhere from $4.99 to $5.99. So the profit would be $4.99 on the shipping. Then net profit overall would be $42.82. Now let's go on to the specific niches, the exact niches that I would go in and target. You can go with gaming, you can go with video games, keyboards, League of Legends, Warzones, different types of games, ASMR, unboxings, unbox therapy. So there's so many different types of niches that you can go in and target on Facebook. This would be maybe a little bit harder to go in and push for longevity just because you'd have to work directly with your manufacturer to get different types of units, product modifications, and with electronics, it tends to be a bit harder. Nonetheless, I think it's a really cool product, and if you hit that right group of people, if you're able to push out content that gets people to engage and potentially buy, you're gonna do well. So that just wraps up for the 5 products I suggest you guys to sell in September. Oh, and do not forget 500 likes on this video, and I'm going to post in the comment section, just like the last video. You guys hit that 500 like threshold. Good job. Let's do it again. I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna have the entire database to go ahead and use for your product research methods. And I also do apologize for not posting last week. I've been on the road. I was in Italy yesterday. I just arrived in Prague, the Czech Republic. I'm going to Vienna and Budapest the next couple of days. So I'm gonna be moving a lot, but in Budapest, I'm gonna stay. I got my Airbnb booked for 1 month, so I'm gonna be posting tons of content, pushing it out as much as I can for you guys. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please do hit that like button and subscribe if you're enjoying what I am posting and you want to keep up with the journey and you want to learn more about e-commerce. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.